እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች። በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው የሰባተኛ ክፍል የሶሻል ስተዲስ ትምህርት ዩኒት 5 ነው። የዩኒት 5 ፓርት 1 ለዛሬ እናያለን። ዩኒት 5 ኤንሽንት ሂስትሪ ኦፍ አፍሪካ ይላል። ይህ ኤንሽንት ሂስትሪ ኦፍ አፍሪካ የሚለው ቶፒክ ላይ በአጠቃላይ 60 ጥያቄዎች ተዘጋጅተዋል። እነዚህ 60 ጥያቄዎች ለዚህ ቶፒክ የተዘጋጁ ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለሚኒስትሪ ኤግዛም የሚያግዙ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ሶሻል ስተዲስ ብቻ ሳይሆን ያው ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችን እንደ ሲቲዝንሺፕ እና ጀነራል ሳይንስ እየሰራ እንገኛለን። እዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ መከታተል ትችላላችሁ። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። እነዚህን አይነት ጥያቄዎች የምናወጣበት አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አለ። ይህንን አጋዥ መጽሐፍ ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለሚኒስትሪ ኤግዛም የሚያግዛችሁ መጽሐፍ ነው። ይህ መጽሐፍ የያዘው ምንድነው? ጥያቄዎችን ከነመልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ ነው። ይህን የጥያቄና መልስ መጽሐፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠው አድራሻ መሰረት ጻፉልን። እዛ ላይ ኮንታክት እናድርግ ማለት። ለአሁኑ ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንሂድ። ነምበር 1 what was one of the most significant achievement of ancient kingdom of Egypt? A. Invention of gunpowder. B. Introduction to coin currency. C. Construction of pyramid and development of hieroglyphics. D. Discovery of the compass. Okay, C. The construction of pyramids and development of hieroglyphics ማለት ነው። ይሄ የኪንግደም ኦፍ ኢጅፕት የነበረው ኤንሽንት ጥንታዊ የግብፅ ኪንግደም አቺቭ ያደረገው ነው ማለት ነው። ሁለቱ ፒራሚድ እና የሄሮግሊፊክስ የአጻጻፍ ስልት ማለት ነው። ሶ ኤንሽንት ኢጅፕት ኢዝ ሪኒውድ ፎር ዘ ኮንስትራክሽን ኦፍ ዘ ፒራሚድ ኤንድ ዘ ዴቨሎፕመንት ኦፍ ዘ ራይቲንግ ሲስተም። ዚስ ራይቲንግ ሲስተም ኢዝ hieroglyphics, okay, which played a crucial role in the administration of the religion and culture ማለት ነው። Number 2, which of the following best explain the source of the kingdom of the Egypt's wealth and power? A. Control of trans-Saharan trade routes. B. Agriculture based on Nile River floods. C. Conquest of Roman territories. D. Industrial production of steel. B. The agriculture based on Nile River floods. Okay. The annual flooding of Nile River made the land fertile, supporting agriculture for the Egyptians. 3. Which African kingdom had the closest political and cultural ties with the ancient Egypt? A. Carthage. B. Aksum. C. Nubia. D. Ghana. You see Nubia. The Nubia located in the south of Egypt. This Nubia had a strong cultural, economic and political interactions with the Egypt. 4. What distinguishes the kingdom of Nubia in terms of military capability? A. Their use of cavalry and elephants. B. Their development of advanced bronze cannons. C. Their navy dominating the Red Sea. D. Their skilled archers known as the bowmen of Africa. Okay, D. Their skilled archers known as the bowmen of Africa. Okay. ስለዚህ ኪንግደም ኦፍ ኑቢያ በሚሊታሪ ይታወቅበት የነበረው ማለት ነው። በዚህኛው ስኪል ነው። ኦኬ ሶ the Nubian warrior were famous for the archery skills and region was known as the ancient Egyptians ታይ ሲቲ የሚባለው ወይም ደግሞ ላንድ ኦፍ ቦው ተብሎ ይታወቅ ነበር ማለት ነው። 5. The capital city of the kingdom of Meroe was known for A. Being the oldest city in Africa. B. Its pyramids and advanced ironworking industry. C. Its strong navy. D. Its massive gold reserves only. B. Its pyramids and advanced iron working industry. 6. Which river played a central role in the development of both ancient Egypt and Nubia? A. Niger River. B. Congo River. C. Limpopo River. D. Nile River. D. Nile River. Okay, the Nubia and ancient Egypt ላይፍ ወዳቸው በዋናነት የተመሰረተው ሴንትራላይዝ ያደረገው ናይል ሪቨር ላይ ነበር ማለት ነው። 7. Which of the following best describes the political structure of the ancient Egypt? A. Decentralization tribal system. B. A theocratic monarchy led by a pharaoh. B. A democratic confederation of states. D. A military oligarchy. Okay, B. theocratic monarchy led by pharaoh. Okay, ስለዚህ በፈራው ነው የሚመራ ማለት ነው። ቴዎሬቲክ ማለት ሃይማኖታዊ ፖለቲካዊ መሪ ማለት ነው። የቴዎክራቲክ ሞናርኪ ሲባል ሃይማኖታዊና ፖለቲካዊ ሊደር አንድ ላይ ሲይዝ ቴዎክራቲክ ይባላል ማለት ነው። 8. What was the major reason for the decline of the kingdom of Meroe? A. The complete desertification of the Nile Valley. B. Invasion of Zulu kingdom. C. Exhaustion of iron resources and shift in trade routes. D. Conquest by the Egyptian pharaoh Canton. Okay, C. Exhaustion of iron resources and shift in trade routes. Okay, ስለዚህ ዋናው ዲክላይን ያደረገበት ምክንያት የሚሮዌ ኪንግደም ማለት ነው። The decline of the Meroe kingdom was largely due to the exhaustion of its iron resources. አይረን ሪሶርስ የነበራቸው እያለቀ ሲሄድ ዲፎረስቴሽን እና ሪዳይሬክሽን ኦፍ ትሬድ ራውትም እንደዚሁ ሪዳይሬክት ሲደረግ ፍሮም ዘ ኪንግደም ማለት ነው። ዊከኒንግ ኢትስ ኢኮኖሚክ ቤዝ ማለት ነው። ኢኮኖሚክ ቤዙ እየተዳከመ ሲሄድ ያው ኪንግደሙ በዛው እየተዳከመ ሄደ ማለት ነው። 9. What made Meroitic script unique compared to Egyptian hieroglyphics? A. It was an alphabetic and syllabic system. B. It was never used on monuments. C. It was based on Latin characters. D. It was written only in Greek. A. It was alphabetic and symbolic. syllabic system ማለት ነው። የኢጂፕሽያንስ writing system. So the Meroitic script was the earliest African writing system ማለት ነው. that used combination of alphabetic and syllabic signs ማለት ነው. 10. Which of the following statements about the kingdom of Nubia is correct? A. It was always subordinate colony of Egypt. B. It developed independently and had periods of ruling over Egypt. C. It was located in modern-day Morocco. D. It declined due to volcanic eruptions. B. It developed independently and had periods of ruling over Egypt. So Nubia had an independent civilization with its own king and culture. 11. Which statement best explains why Herodotus referred to Egypt as a gift of the Nile? A. It was the only African country located near a river. B. The Nile provided essential resources that sustained Egyptian civilization. C. The Nile River was used only for religious purposes. D. Ancient Egyptians worshipped the Nile as their main god. B. The Nile provided essential resources that sustained Egyptian civilization. Okay, so the Nile provided fertile soil, water, and transportation, which made agriculture and civilization possible in desert environment. Okay, 12. Which of the following pairs of tributaries feed into the Nile River? A. Red Nile and Blue Nile. B. White Nile and Red Sea. C. White Nile and Blue Nile. D. Tigris and Euphrates. Okay, C. White Nile and Blue Nile. Okay, ስለዚህ የናይል ሪቨር የሚባለው ብሉ ናይል እና ዋይት ናይል ማለት ነው። 13. What marked the primary base of Egyptian ancient economy? A. Fishing. B. Industrial production. C. Mining. D. Agriculture. Okay, D. Agriculture ማለት ነው። Agriculture based on the Nile River ማለት ነው። Okay, so Egyptian economy was agriculture based, relying on irrigation from the Nile due to its region dry climate ማለት ነው። ድራይ ክላይሜት ወይም ደረቃማ በረሃማ አካባቢ ነው ያላቸው፣ ግን ዩዚንግ ናይል ሪቨር እንትናቸው አሪፍ ነው ማለት ነው። በአግሪካልቸር ነው ቤዝ ያደረገ ኢኮኖሚያቸው። 14. The construction of the pyramids in the ancient Egypt was primarily as a result of which of the following? A. Scientific advancements. B. Religious beliefs and royal power. C. Military necessity. D. Foreign inventions. Okay, B. The religious beliefs and royal power. Okay. 15. What was the capital of Egypt during the Old Kingdom period? A. Thebes. B. Giza. C. Alexandria. D. Memphis. Okay, D. Memphis. Okay, Memphis was the capital during the Old Kingdom period of ancient Egypt. 16. The role of the viziers in ancient Egypt can best be described as A. Religious leaders. B. Military generals. C. King's assistants in administration. D. High priests of the Nile. C. The king's assistant in administration. Okay, so the viziers served as the prime ministers, helping the pharaoh ወይም ፈራውን የሚያገዙ አሲስት የሚያደርጉ ማለት ነው እነዚህ ልጆች። 17. Which Egyptian ruler is credited for sending a trade expedition to the land of Punt? A. Akhenaten. B. Ramses II. C. Queen Hatshepsut. D. Tutankhamun. You see, King Hatshepsut. Okay, the Queen Hatshepsut famous sent voyage to the Punt ማለት ነው። ወደ ፑንት የንግድ እንትኖችን ትልክ የነበረች ኪዊን ማለት ነው፣ የግብጽ ኪዊን። 18. Which of the following social classes included skilled workers like craftsmen and merchants? A. Upper class. B. Middle class. C. Lower class. D. Royalty. Okay, B. The middle class. Okay, the middle class consisted of merchants, craftsmen, and skilled workers. 19. The use of the hieroglyphics by ancient Egyptians is significant because A. It was used for mathematical calculations only. B. It was the first alphabet in the world. C. It was an early system of pictorial writing. D. It was important from Mesopotamia. Okay, C. It was an early system of pictorial writing. Okay, so the hieroglyphics were a pictorial form of writing unique to the ancient Egypt ማለት ነው። 20. Which material did ancient Egyptians eventually use to write on, replacing stone carvings? A. Silk. B. papyrus. C. clay tablets. D. animal skin. Okay, B. papyrus. Okay, the papyrus Egyptians later used papyrus and paper like substance ማለት ነው የፓፒረስ የሚባለው for writing ማለት ነው። 21. What does the process of the mummification indicate about Egyptian beliefs? A. They believed in divine punishment after death. B. They wanted to stop disease spread. C. They believed in preserving the soul for the afterlife. D. It was a punishment for criminals. Okay, C. They believed in preserving the soul for the afterlife. Okay, so mummification was practiced to preserve the body. ይህ የሞተ እንትንን አስከሬንን ለረዥም ጊዜ ሳይበላሽ እንዲቆይ የማድረግ ፕሮሰስ ማለት ነው ይሄ which was believed to necessary for the soul's eternal life ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 22. Which of the following products were imported into Egypt through foreign trade? A. Papyrus and flax. B. Iron and cedar logs. C. Wheat and barley. D. mud bricks and wood. B. Iron and cedar logs. Okay, so the Egyptians imported silver, iron, horse and cedar logs, especially from the regions around the Mediterranean and Red Sea አካባቢ ማለት ነው። 23. What best describes the role of the peasants in the ancient Egyptian society? A. Religious leaders. B. Government advisors. C. Agricultural workers who also performed public labor. D. tax collectors. Okay, C. The peasants were poor farmers who also did curb labor ወይም ደግሞ ፐብሊክ ሰርቪስ የሚባለው ማለት ነው። served as contribute soldiers. 24. Ancient Egypt was administratively divided into 42 regions known as A. mandates, B. satrapies, C. districts, D. nomes. Okay, D. nomes. Okay, the ancient Egypt was divided into 42 nomes, each ruled by the nomarch ማለት ነው። 25. Which crop was not commonly grown by ancient Egyptians? A. wheat. B. barley. C. cotton. D. onions. C. cotton. Okay, the cotton ancient Egyptians grew wheat, barley, onions, flax, vegetables, but not producing the cotton ማለት ነው። 26. Which of the following best represents a major Egyptian contribution to the modern science? A. 365 day calendar. B. iron smelting. C. steam engine. D. compass. Okay, A. 365 day calendar. Okay, the ancient Egyptians developed a calendar based on the solar year of 365 days ማለት ነው። 27 what geographic feature was crucial for the development of both Egypt and Nubia? A. The Sahara Desert. B. The Red Sea. C. The Nile River. D. Lake Victoria. C. The Nile River. Okay. Both civilizations developed along the Nile rivers. 28. Which city became the capital of Kush after the fall of Napata? A. Alexandria. B. Khartoum. C. Meroe. D. Cairo. C. Meroe. Okay. The Meroe was the capital of Kush after the fall of Napata ማለት ነው። So Napata was destroyed in the 670 BC ማለት ነው። The Kushite rulers moved their capital to Meroe, marking the beginning of the Meroitic period ማለት ነው። 29 How did the Nubians benefit from Egyptian conquest in the 1500 BC? A. They expanded into Europe. B. They adapted Egyptians' culture and technology. C. They received gold from Egypt. D. They ruled over the Romans. B. They adapted Egyptian culture and technology. Okay. The Nubians borrowed Egyptians' art, language, religion, and writing systems. ኦኬ ሰርቲ ለፓርት ዋን የመጨረሻው ጥያቄ ነው ይሄ። which of the following was not the export of the kingdom of Nubia? A. papyrus. B. gold. C. slaves. D. ivory. A. papyrus was the Egyptian invention. Nubia exported goods like gold, ivory, slaves and cattle. እነዚህን ኤክስፖርት ያደርጉ ነበረ። but this papyrus was the invention of Egyptians የኢጂፕሽያኖች ስለነበሩ it's not from the kingdom of the Nubia ማለት ነው። ኦኬ የዛሬውን የሰባተኛ ክፍል የሶሻል ስታዲስ ትምህርት ጥያቄና መልስ በዚህ ጨርሰናል። ፓርት 1 ማለት ነው። ፓርት 2 እና ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችን እንዲሁም ሌሎች ቻፕተሮችን እንቀጥላለን። እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች የሚመስሉ ሌሎችም በርካታ ጥያቄዎችን የያዘ ሞዴል ኤግዛም ጨምሮ ማለት ነው የጥያቄ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። ይህ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ በርካታ ጥያቄዎችን የያዘ ለክፍላችሁ ፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለሚኒስትሪ ኤግዛማችሁ የሚያግዝ መጽሐፍ ነው። ሁሉንም ዩኒቶች የሚያጠቃልል ጥያቄ ያለበትና እንዲሁም ደግሞ ሞዴል ጥያቄዎችን የያዘ ማለት ነው። ይህን መጽሐፍ መግዛት ከፈለጋችሁ በፒዲኤፍ ወይም በሶፍት ኮፒ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠው አድራሻ ኮንታክት አድርጉን። ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችም እንዲሁ እንቀጥላለን። ጀነራል ሳይንስ እና ሲቲዝንሺፕ ማለት ነው። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።